everyone. If you are interested in joining the design, you should read the information about Eora that can help you in seeing your vision and charge. The world of freelancing is a massive bone. One simple reason for this is the lack of trust. There needs to be a system in place that helps freelancers connect in a more transparent, fair, and secure way. Eora is a platform that help you keep you and your freelancer customer agreements normal and free from politics for you to get further and better work done. Eora is created with a clear thing in mind: empower the global pool of the future. They know that the coming times will be filled with unknown challenges and openings to make money. That's why they believe that through utilizing the right tools, you can be empowered to reach your full eventuality and achieve great effects. They aim to give a platform that fosters a community of generators and entrepreneurs who can work together in a way that's more effective and secure than in the history. So, how did you find it till now? I think it's much interesting. Now let's know about their mission. Euro is the first commemorative designed to be both a cryptocurrency and to serve as a mileage commemorative. The Euro platform makes it easier for freelancers to seamlessly manage payments, agreements, and tasks without having to use dozens of different operations. The freelancing frugality is growing presto. In fact, it's prognosticated to produce nearly $2 trillion out of a total global pool $100 trillion with the coming decade. They see freelancing as a way for people to manage workers, and they want to help freelancers find the stylish jobs that suits their bents and interests by empowering them with essential digital tools and adding convenience for both sides. They are trying to grow the assiduity rather than trip it like numerous others. With the future of work evolving at a rapid fire pace, a new generation of startups is aiming to disrupt specific verticals of traditional businesses. This is where they believe that the business for on-demand gift will be headed in the coming times. Eora Equalize is trying to resolve a lot of issues that freelancers and guests presently face by introducing cutting-edge collaboration medium no way seen before in blockchain assiduity. By using Ethereum grounded smart contracts and their native commemorative Eora, freelancers will be suitable to offer their services encyclopedically to guests who want them without any walls or interposers involved. And payments can now be made either edict or their personal cryptocurrency. All this makes them believe that decentralized frugality will come mainstream very relatively soon. Freelancing means that you are working for yourself, but that does not mean there are no boundaries. It's important that you know that if you are freelancing, also you are responsible for your business. It's important you take the responsibility for your business and work. Visualize the creation process. It's essential that you know everything that happens and also be suitable to distinguish way with the capability to intermediate at different stages. They want to work with you on understanding your unique approach workflow so they may help point out any areas for enhancement or exfoliate light on possibilities of participating strategies within their ecosystem as not to repeat gratuitous crimes in development. So, did you find it beneficial? If yes, let's experience it once at last.